First of all, thank you for this question or observation. I had the same information. But when I had it, I said it is very, very unfortunate. He shouldn't have resigned because he was only informing members of the public about his opinion. And that is all what democracy is. But since he has resigned, I think it's unfortunate. But I still believe having different views, different opinion in a political party is not an offense.
What should party faithful be expecting from you as you assume your role?
Internal democracy, deepening and widening consultation, and also try to make the party functional throughout the year, not only during election time. More reforms will be introduced, and I believe we are taking this party to the next highest level, because political party is an institution of democracy, is the backbone of any government. We are to harness the demand of the people and make it the government agenda. And also we participate in the implementation of important government programs so that the people will understand. And that will assist us in mobilizing membership for a great party.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, one more question, sir. Yeah. Let's go to Kano now, where you were a governor. A lot has been happening. Destruction of some of the what you have put on ground. I want to get your reaction on this. What you think? Is government no more continuity?
Well, my reaction is people's reaction. So what people are saying and what people are doing is a testimony that what the government has done so far is terribly bad. And that shows that the government is empty. The government has no objective. The government has no blueprint for the development of the state. The government started with the destruction of the state. So that is unfortunate for the people of Kano State and unfortunate for democracy in Nigeria.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.